Welcome. If you want to know how to turn off package tracking in the Gmail app, you're in the right place. Maybe you're tired of getting package updates, or you just prefer to manage tracking elsewhere. Whatever the reason, turning off this feature is quick and easy. Here's how you do it, step by step, with the latest instructions. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to change the settings. Next, tap on the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Once the menu slides open, scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on it to continue. Now, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the email account where you want to turn off package tracking. If you have multiple accounts, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one. After selecting your account, scroll down until you find the package tracking option. This might be in a section labeled Data Privacy on some devices. You'll see a checkbox or toggle next to package tracking. Simply uncheck the box or switch the toggle off. This will stop Gmail from automatically tracking your packages and sending you updates. And that's it. You've now disabled package tracking for your Gmail app. From now on, you won't see those package status updates in your inbox. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps again and re-enable the feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more simple tech tips.